In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update CapCut to the latest version on desktop in just a few simple steps. Keeping CapCut up to date is important because updates can improve performance, fix bugs, and give you access to the newest editing features. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once CapCut is open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a row of icons there, and what you want to find is the update icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing upward inside a circle. That is the button CapCut uses to check for updates. Go ahead and click that update icon. As soon as you do, CapCut will automatically check whether your current version is up to date. If you already have the newest version installed, CapCut will let you know right away, and there will be nothing else you need to do. But if there is a newer version available, CapCut will begin updating the app for you. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this may take a moment, so just let it finish. Once the update is complete, CapCut should be on the latest version and ready to use. This is a really quick process, and it's one of the easiest ways to make sure your desktop app stays current without having to manually reinstall anything. If you don't see the update icon right away, make sure your app window is fully open and check the top right area again carefully. Sometimes it can be easy to miss if you're not looking closely. After the update finishes, it's a good idea to restart CapCut so everything loads properly, and you can make sure the newest version is running smoothly. And that's it. You've now learned how to check for and update CapCut to the latest version on desktop. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.